Hi, the selection tool that I want to talk about is Booklist. Um, my librarian uses it and she highly recommends it. I really like this website and I really like this because you can search for books. You can go and look at the books that have been reviewed. Not all of them, you're not going to have every book, but you are going to have the most significant ones. And you're going to find exclusive online reviews for youth, nonfiction, fiction, audiobooks, and video. You are also going to come and find books that have awards. We do have here's some books for awards for adults, and we have of course the awards for children and young adults. We have the Caldecott Medal and Caldecott Honor, Newbery Medal and Newbery Honor. We have the YALSA Award for Excellence in Nonfiction, and we have the YALSA Award for Excellence in Nonfiction finalists. And it's going to give you a list of books. Got some Coretta Scott King Award and Coretta Scott King Honors, and we also have the Pura Belpré Award and Pura Belpré Honor. And we got all these books that have been awarded. They're special, and we should definitely take a look at them. Of course, we can also search for books. We can search for only books that have reviews. We can also search for books by titles, by author. We have the ISBN, a keyword. We also have the ability to do a search by, if we want an adult book, a book for youth, we want media, resources. I really feel like this website and this tool is very helpful, for selecting the books that we would like to have in our library and books that we need. We have all the honors. We have the books that have those honors and that are diverse, and it's definitely a great resource. Also, while looking at doing some research myself, I found this LARKS. This is Librarian and Research Knowledge Space, and what I really thought was important about this is that it has tools for research and for the school library research, and it also has for librarians. I feel that this part was very helpful as a future librarian, because I found that you can do, if you've never done research, like if you want to apply for a grant for books, and let me see, I think it's already opened over here. Yes, you have grant resources, and it shows you how to write a grant, how to different methods, different ways. It's very, very, very interesting. And here's the one for the grants. It shows you here what other grants that are available, what Global Library Programs seeks to ensure that all people have access to information technology in public libraries. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, they give a lot of money. There's all sorts of grants, and it shows you how to do that. And it's books on achieving grant writing success. I feel that this tool is really helpful, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Hopefully, once we have our own libraries, we are definitely going to be needing grants to buy more resources and buy more books and buy the e-readers and all those great resources that our students need to achieve success in school. And And so I wanted to share this with you guys. This is new, and I definitely haven't really looked at everything. I just wanted to share because I think it's important. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.